Hey you guys, so I'm back with something a little different this week. I'll be reviewing 3 different keto ice creams and wasting my money so you don't have to. Alright, so I picked up 3 different keto ice creams when I went grocery shopping this weekend. I can tell you the good thing about all 3 of these ice creams are that the only sweeteners that they use are erythritol and monk fruit. And I can tell you that these are the best keto sweeteners. They don't cause any stomach problems like most of them do, because you know with some keto sweeteners, you're gonna be on that toilet. So for Sundae Shoppe's ice cream, for a 2/3 cup, it's only 220 calories. For Enlightened, for a half cup of ice cream, it's only 180 calories, which is about 70 grams of ice cream. And for Rebel, for a 2/3 cup, once again, it is 220 calories. So they're all good as far as calories and the portion sizes that you're getting. For the Sundae Shoppe, it's 5 grams of carbs for that 2/3 cup. Enlightened, they say for a half cup, it's only 1 gram net carbs. And that's great. It's only 1 gram for that half cup. And for Rebel, they're saying that for that 2/3 cup, there are 8 grams of carbs. As you can see, the ice cream looks just like any other cookie dough ice cream. You can ignore the big dent in it. I totally haven't eaten it before today. But yeah, let's kind of dig in and see what it tastes like. Tastes just like normal ice cream. Cookie dough tastes pretty good as well. It doesn't have that grainy taste. It's more of a soft texture. One thing I will say, however, is I kind of have an aftertaste. It kind of has a strange aftertaste. So, kind of on the fence about that. But as far as the creaminess goes, overall taste, it's generally okay. So it looks like this. I got glazed chocolate donut. I can say that I was disappointed because I expected to see, you know, actual chocolate glazed donut pieces in my chocolate glazed donut ice cream. But I don't know, that's just me. Like if I pick up a cookie dough ice cream, I expect to see cookie dough in it. If I pick up a chocolate cake ice cream, I expect to see cake in it, just like you do with a regular ice cream. But it seems that Enlightened doesn't do that. This one just had a swirl in it, like I showed you, and the swirl, it didn't really taste too much like donut. It tastes like just a simple fudge swirl, if anything. But I mean, no aftertaste. There's no aftertaste. It's creamy. It's pretty solid ice cream as well. Now I'm going to move on to our last but not least, Rebel. So I think that I would say Rebel is a pretty solid keto ice cream. It's a cookies and cream flavored. It actually has real cookies in it. It's not just flavoring. It's smooth, it's creamy. It tastes more similar to real ice cream. It doesn't really have that artificial taste to it. It doesn't really taste exactly like a crispy cookie, but it's more of like a chocolate cookie dough to me. It has more of a texture of the cookie dough. I feel like Rebel is my favorite, even though it's not very cost efficient. If you decide to go lower in price with the Sundae Shoppe's ice cream, you'll be going a little bit higher in net carbs. Then with Rebel, it's kind of just like you're going higher in price, but lower in net carbs depending on what flavor you get. And Enlightened, it is the lowest in net carbs, but I mean, I see why. Like they don't even have, like it's nothing in the ice cream but just flavoring, so. Personally, I would say that Rebel takes the cake, but it breaks the bank. So it will just all vary on what type of person you are and how much money you're willing to spend. But that sums up the end of my reviews. You guys can feel free to try any of these ice creams or link any ice creams in the comment that you want me to try next. And I'll be back with you guys next week.